How to create a stunning light painting just using a phone in 50 seconds? Well, let me show you. Let's go. First, close your curtains to cut off the ambient light. Next, place your shooting subject on a flat surface. The third step, place your camera or smartphone on a tripod to prevent the camera shake. This will cause you to get a blurry image. Step 4. Adjust your camera settings to lower shutter speed. Step 5. You can either use your phone flashlight or find a colorful image. Step 6. Start playing with the lights using your creativity. Here's some examples. Step 7. Open your Lightroom and start your color grade. Use the color picker to auto-white balance the image. Then go to HSL and adjust the blue to cyan. After that, create a graduated filter and adjust to the warm look. Here's the time-lapse of my color grading. It's almost the same, and you just need to play with the HSL section to achieve the look. And here's the final results. Well, that's all for the tutorial. Just that simple, you can try it at home too.
我的很大，你要忍一下。